You want to learn how to make one of these? I'm going to give you the quick lesson. Piece of string, jute twine, keep one side long. That's the side you'll wrap with. Put a little hot glue on both sides. Make sure to get it on your fingers because it's really hot. Start at the bottom and wrap your way up. Don't worry about little spiders from the glue. It's going to burn off in a minute. End it where they're on opposite sides of each other, so when you put the ball on, you can twist it and glue it down. Now, put the ball on both strings and pull the slack out. Grab a bunch of hot glue under the ball. Push it down where it's straight up and down. Go ahead and put all these on here and make sure your spurs are arranged right, because if they ain't, they don't fit. They look right to me, but one way. Pull the string tight and adjust everything. The tighter you hold it, better. Make sure it's all square, hangs straight. Especially the beard. Don't want it poking out all cockeyed. It spurs just like you want it. Squeeze it really tight and flip it over and apply hot glue. Squeeze it nice and tight once you got it all arranged, and apply hot glue to each gap. Tie a knot, singe it with fire, and singe the little spider webs with fire. Singe all the fuzz off and the spider webs. And there you go, easy peasy. Hang them up.